Making money with Medium is possible through writing and monetizing your content. Here's how to do it. Join the Medium Partner Program. Sign up for the Medium Partner Program. Earn money based on member reading time. The more Medium members engage with your articles, the more you earn. Write engaging and SEO-friendly articles. Focus on popular niches like personal finance, self-improvement, tech, or productivity. Use keywords and formatting to make articles more readable and discoverable. Leverage affiliate marketing. Include affiliate links to relevant products in your articles. Use platforms like Amazon Associates, Share, Sale, or Impact to promote products. Ensure you disclose affiliate links to comply with Medium's guidelines. Offer premium content or coaching. Redirect readers to your newsletter, blog, or paid courses via platforms like Substack, Gumroad, or Patreon. Provide exclusive guides or consultations to paying subscribers. Repurpose and sell your writing. Turn your best Medium posts into ebooks and sell them on Amazon Kindle or Gumroad.